見てらっしゃい。はい、いってらっしゃい。家族で見れば10年後、20年後も思い出話に花が咲く。さあ、見せ物は一度見とけば孫の代までの語り草。見なきゃ一生損損。さあ、見せ物小屋こちら。長い時間お取りしません。およそね、30分の出し物。中の出し物をぐるぐる回し、見たところから見たところまで途中で出ることもできます。雰囲気だけでもぜひ見てってください。
Ailey, don't go too far. What do you want to do? Oh, wow, here. I like to eat. What is that? What is that? Is that? What is that? Wow. Wow. It's just unique. Very unique. Oh, I love that one. It's much better to have that one than this one. After you eat that one, you can buy that. How it tastes, Amy? Is that delicious? Is that delicious? As we have here in Hakozaki. One of the things I love about coming here is all the small little shop that they sell traditional food, and they have games where you can win the prizes, and it's all you need to do is to have to enjoy like a festival 100%. The approach to the shrine stretches for a kilometer and is packed with 500 vendors, and you can see there is a massive of visitors coming here. People love to wear their yukatas and been to Hojoya festival at least once. And this autumn festival at Hakozaki Shrine in Higashi Ward is held every year from 12 to 18 of September. And this is the last day of the event. That's why we are here and being part of the Matsuri, and it's called festival.